Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. A week back, I had put a video on mixed grill. I had leftovers from the mix used for kebabs and other, and I had told I'll let you know what I prepared from those leftovers. So today preparing with the leftover minced meat used for kebabs and a very simple craft made for my kids' room. I'm in fact not getting enough time to complete their room in one go, hence thought to share a little at a time. So hope you would like this video. Keep watching. I wanted to create something in this corner. It was plain and looking very boring. So for such ideas, I mainly go over to Pinterest. I have seen this wall decor before, hence thought to create a similar one for my boys' room with colorful papers. Now if you don't want butterfly template, you can use dots or flowers if it's girls' bedroom. I got this template from Pinterest. Shall link below if I find the same or any other that you could print out. Using bright colors as it's for the kids. Draw the butterfly or whatever onto the color paper. You need big size and small size. And how many you will need, that depends on the wall space you'll be covering. Just a tip for beginners or kids who want to cut these easily, cut these 3 V's first and then shape it and it becomes easy. So there you are. You can definitely engage your kids with these kind of crafts, but just take care when they use the scissors. Even if the shape isn't perfect, it won't alter the look much. I didn't complete it in one day. I did it on different days whenever I got time. So back to cooking. You may check the other video for more recipes that I had done. Quickly let me tell you the ingredients for the minced meat. To 1 kilo minced meat, chop parsley, coriander and mint leaves, ginger garlic chopped, onion chopped, olive oil, black pepper powder, salt, cumin powder, paprika, and coriander powder. Mix everything very well. Now in my last video, I had taken out some, added some breadcrumbs to make it tight and make kebabs. For details, you may check out that video. Link is in the description box. And the rest I put in the freezer. Take out the mix from the freezer 1 or 2 hours before cooking. Give a good mix. Heat a kadai and heat some sunflower oil. Cook the minced meat in it. Keep on medium flame and cover. Let it cook. Since the meat is minced, it cooks quickly, say around 15 to 25 minutes. There's enough water that's oozed out from the meat, so open the lid and let the water evaporate. I'm preparing stuffed jumbo pasta in tomato sauce. I tried it slightly in Indian taste. So for the sauce, chop 1 onion. Don't forget to check on the meat. When it's cooked, you need to prepare breadcrumbs. You may grind fresh bread or that's bought from the store. Add that to the meat. Here the minced meat was almost half of the quantity after using for kebabs. So the breadcrumbs I made was from 6 breads. And that's ready. Now for the sauce. Heat a pan and melt some butter along with sunflower or olive oil. This is to avoid the butter from burning. Add some crushed black pepper. Then add chopped onion and saute well. Chop 4 to 5 green chilies. I used 1 capsicum. You may use any color. I had orange with me. Meanwhile, keep a pot of hot water on stove for cooking the pasta. Add the green chilies and capsicum and saute. This is the jumbo pasta shells that you need to stuff. This is 340 grams. I indeed cooked all the shells but didn't need everything for stuffing as the stuffing was over. Cook the pasta as per the packet instructions. I cooked for 15 minutes on medium flame. To the onion, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cover the pasta till it boils and then take out the lid or else the water will rise on top and then spill out. To this I added 1 can chopped tomatoes as I didn't have fresh one with me. You may add 2 large tomatoes chopped. After the tomatoes are cooked well, in goes 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, then quarter to half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything very well. The pasta is ready. Take out 1 cup of the water the pasta was cooking in and add to the pan. Mix and add more water, around 2 more cups. Drain the pasta and add to cold water. To the sauce, mix in some chopped coriander leaves. Add some salt. Now it's ready. Switch off the flame. Drain the pasta once again. Now stuff each pasta with the minced meat mix. Vegetarians can definitely make their version by sauteing onion, mushroom, cauliflower, capsicum and so on. Add your favorite spices, then mince and mix with breadcrumbs. Or you can also use minced soya. Place all the shells this way. Add some chopped coriander leaves and mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper on top. Place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese melts. If you don't have an oven, do cover the pan and place on low flame on the stove. Cook till the cheese melts. This was prepared for lunch and that was delicious. Do try this out. Back to the craft. I used different colors, all bright like yellow, red, orange, blue, light green, dark green. And that was the final look. I have more plans for crafts for their room, shall share while doing each. So that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and let me know your feedback. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.